This is my PC so far. Got in the front, I've got 2 optical drives. Top one's a DVD, plays all discs. Bottom one is a combo, writes and plays DVD, all discs. Behind one of these is another DVD, because the top one isn't working that well, so I might replace it with the bottom one that's behind there, but I'm not showing it yet because it's not wired up. Floppy drive, card reader, temperature gauge, so just past 30, and I've got the little thermometer, the electric thermometer, just above one of the hard drives, so it gets pretty hot there. Behind the grills I've got 2 intake fans that light up. In the back I've got intake fan on the side, massive 12cm fan on the back, exhaust, processor fan. I'm going to get a new one of those. And all these colour wires, they're just parter wires. 2 hard drives, and then if you do that you can see the 2 fans. Right, you can see one of them. I'm going to get, I've ordered cathode tubes, so I've got 1 blue one and 1 green one on the way, and I want to order a UV one, but they're always out of stock because they're so popular. And I've ordered some cable sorter as well that will go around all of these PSU wires and stuff. All the wires down the bottom, bit of a mess. So looks pretty good so far.